Hello, first graders. Welcome to your math lesson. We are still working on Module 18. Please get your books ready for the next lesson. Bienvenidos a tu lección de matemática. Por favor, ve y busca tu libro para seguir con Módulo 18. Lesson 3. Say it with me. Today I can tell time using the hour and minute hand. So yesterday we worked together on using both the hour and the minute hand. We're going to continue that awesome work today. Let's step it out. Open to this page in your book. Number 1. Susan starts walking her dog at the time shown. Write the time on the digital clock. So we see the time here on the analog clock. Now we're going to write our time here in the digital clock. Well, let's take a look. The hour hand is pointing at the 2. So that makes it 2 in the hour. But now we have to figure out how many minutes it's been. The minute hand, the longer hand, is pointing at the 12. Remember what we learned yesterday? That when the minute hand is pointing at the 12, the hour starts over. So there are 0 minutes. That makes it 2 o'clock. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's look at number 2. Susan stops walking her dog at the time shown. Write the time on the digital clock. Well, let's again look at the hour hand. The hour hand is still kind of pointing at the 2, but it's in between the 2 and 3. It has not touched the 3 though, so that makes it still in the hour of 2. But now if I look at the minute hand, that moved and now it's pointing at the 6. So with the minute hand pointing at the 6, it has been 30 minutes. That makes it 2:30, or we say 2:30 because we have moved halfway down the clock. 2:30. All right, this is the point where we're going to check your understanding. I would like for you to try to work by yourself. Quisiera que los niños trabajaran independiente. Let's look at number 1, 2, and 3. For all of those, you will write the time that you see on the clock. Write it on your digital clock. Escribe la hora que muestra cada reloj. Pause the video until you finish. Pausa el video hasta que han terminado. Now let's look at number 4. Which clock shows the time to the half hour? Circle your answer. ¿Qué reloj muestra la media hora? Encierra en un círculo la respuesta. Pause the video until you have finished. Pausa el video hasta que han terminado. I'd like for you to keep trying to work here on your own. Sigue trabajando independiente. Let's look at number 5. Stella goes to the library at 5:30. Circle the clock that shows the time. Stella va a la biblioteca a las 5:30. Encierra en un círculo el reloj que muestra la hora. Pause the video if you need more time. Number 6. Mateo does his chores at the time shown on the digital clock. Draw the hour and minute hands on the clock to show the time. Mateo hace sus tareas a la hora que muestra el reloj digital. Dibuja el horario y el minutero en el reloj para mostrar la hora. Number 7. Mark raises the flag at 1/2 past the hour. What time could he raise the flag? You can make up any hour, but you have to show half past the hour. Mark, hice la bandera a la media hora después de una hora. ¿A qué hora podrá izar la bandera? Ellos pueden escoger cualquier horario, pero tiene que demostrar media hora después de la hora. Exit ticket. This is your chance, boys and girls, to show us what you have learned. Jessica rides her bike to school. She leaves her home at 8:30. Draw to show the time on both clocks. Jessica monta su bicicleta a la escuela. Ella sale de su casa a las 8:30. Dibuja para mostrar la hora en los dos relojes. Make sure to take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. Tírale una foto y envíalo a la maestra en Class Dojo. All right, superstars, thanks so much for joining us in this math video. We look forward to continuing on Module 18 in our next math lesson. Gracias por habernos acompañado en este video. Seguiremos con Módulo 18 en el próximo video. Gracias.